Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out why AI needs different rules for different roles, like friends versus doctors. AI is increasingly becoming a part of our daily lives, and it's essential to understand its varying roles in society, especially in contexts like friendships and medical professions. This raises important questions about how we should regulate AI to ensure it benefits humanity as a whole. Applying a one-size-fits-all approach to AI regulations can be problematic, as it fails to account for the unique challenges and risks associated with different roles. For instance, AI systems used in medical diagnosis require a high level of precision and accuracy, whereas AI-powered chatbots used for customer service may prioritize user experience and engagement. The potential risks and ethical dilemmas involved in using AI in different contexts are significant, and a blanket approach to regulation may not be effective in mitigating these risks. A one-size-fits-all approach may lead to over-regulation in some areas, stifling innovation and hindering the development of AI systems that could bring significant benefits to society. On the other hand, it may lead to under-regulation in other areas, putting people's lives and well-being at risk. The stakes are high, and it's crucial that we get AI regulation right. The complexity of AI regulation is further compounded by the fact that AI systems are often deployed in complex, real-world environments, where they interact with humans and other systems in unpredictable ways. This makes it difficult to anticipate and mitigate the risks associated with AI, and highlights the need for a nuanced and context-dependent approach to regulation. AI regulation is an issue that requires careful consideration and a deep understanding of the complex interplay between technology, society, and human values. In friendships, AI interactions are often centered around emotional support and companionship, requiring a high level of empathy and understanding. In contrast, AI interactions in medical fields require a high level of technical precision and accuracy, with little room for error. The nuances of AI interactions in different roles are critical to understanding how we should regulate AI, and highlight the need for tailored rules and guidelines that take into account the specific context and requirements of each role. The importance of empathy and understanding in AI-powered friendships cannot be overstated, as it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with each other and provide support to those in need. However, this also raises important questions about the potential risks and consequences of relying on AI for emotional support, and highlights the need for careful consideration and regulation. AI-powered medical diagnosis, on the other hand, has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, enabling doctors to make more accurate and informed decisions. However, this also requires a high level of technical precision and accuracy, and highlights the need for strict guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI systems are used safely and effectively. The challenge of developing tailored rules and guidelines for AI in different roles is significant, but it's essential that we get it right in order to harness the full potential of AI and ensure that it benefits humanity as a whole. A compelling example of the consequences of not having tailored rules for AI in different roles is the case of AI-powered chatbots being used for mental health support. While these chatbots have the potential to provide emotional support and companionship to those in need, they also raise important questions about the potential risks and consequences of relying on AI for mental health support. For instance, what happens when an AI chatbot provides inaccurate or misleading advice, or when it fails to recognize the severity of a user's mental health issues? The potential consequences of not having tailored rules for AI in different roles are far-reaching and significant, and highlight the need for careful consideration and regulation. This is particularly important in contexts like mental health support, where the stakes are high and the potential risks and consequences are significant. The case of AI-powered chatbots being used for mental health support also highlights the need for transparency and accountability in AI development and deployment. This includes ensuring that AI systems are designed and developed with the needs and requirements of their intended users in mind, and that they are subject to rigorous testing and evaluation to ensure that they are safe and effective. The development of tailored rules and guidelines for AI in different roles is an ongoing challenge that requires careful consideration and collaboration between stakeholders from a range of backgrounds and disciplines. The importance of developing specific guidelines for AI, depending on its context, cannot be overstated, as it's essential to ensuring that AI benefits humanity as a whole. By acknowledging the unique challenges and risks associated with different roles, we can work towards creating a regulatory framework that supports innovation while protecting people's lives and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI regulations in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI ethics, be sure to check out another video on the topic for further insights.